When Lenovo introduced the first Horizon, an all-in-one with a touchscreen, built-in battery and fold-flat stand, it caught everyone's attention for about 2 weeks. Though interesting, the original model was thick, slow and expensive. It was a nice conversation starter, but not a great PC. Lenovo isn't one to abandon an idea because it doesn't immediately work, though, so it has introduced the Horizon 27 too. The new model is a simple refinement of the same formula. Signature features like the massive touchscreen and fold-flat stand are now bolstered by better hardware and slimmer design. The price has remained the same. Most retailers ask $1,500. That's a lot of money for an all-in-one. Even Apple's iMac, without the Retina display, can be purchased for just $200 more. Are Lenovo's refinements enough to make the Horizon sequel a winner? The original Horizon was 1.2 inches thick and weighed almost 18 pounds. Both figures were impressive for a 27-inch all-in-one, but not enough to make the system feel easy to move. Lenovo addressed that by reducing thickness to just 0.8 of an inch and dropping weight to 15 pounds. The back is now curved as well, which makes gripping the system easier. We're still not fans of the kickstand that supports the thin and trim Horizon. It works as intended, flipping out for PC use and retracting for tabletop enjoyment, but it doesn't allow ergonomic adjustment or support VESA mounting. This radically specializes the system's purpose by making it unsuitable for office use. The Horizon's lack of connectivity is a problem as well. The system offers only 3 USB 3.0 ports, one of which is spoken for by the wireless dongle needed to connect the mouse. A combo audio jack and HDMI round out the options. 802.11ac Wi-Fi and Bluetooth come standard. Unlike the original Horizon, which had a glossy display, the sequel has opted for a matte coat. And that's not all. Lenovo picked a buttery smooth finish that makes using the touchscreen a joy. Unfortunately, the sequel carries over the first model's inadequate 1080p resolution. That translates to barely more than 81 pixels per inch, 40 less per inch than a 560 by 440 display of the same size and than Apple's fancy new. Even users with less than perfect eyesight can notice the difference. A buttery smooth display panel makes using the touchscreen a joy. Other aspects of the display